Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. In this video, I'll show you the unboxing and demo of the Ninja Foodi FlexBasket AirFryer, available in Costco online for $139.99 and even cheaper in the store. This air fryer features two 5.5 quart baskets with independent cooking settings, can combine two baskets into one 11 quart mega zone. 7 cooking settings, including air fry, bake, roast, reheat, dehydrate, proof, and keep warm. Unboxing. Dual basket. Remove the middle divider to make the Megazone large basket. Demo. Select Zone 1, Zone 2, or Mega Zone. Select Match Cook to set the same cooking setting across the zones. Turn the selection knob to choose the cooking setting. Press Start to start cooking. Now try to select different cooking settings to each zone. Select Zone 1, then turn the selection knob. Select Zone 2, then turn the selection knob. Press Start to start both cooking on both zones. Now let's try Smart Finish. Set the separate cooking settings on Zone 1 and Zone 2 as before. Select Smart Finish. Press Start. The zone that needs longer cooking time will start cooking first. The other zone will be on hold. Once the remaining time matches the cooking time of the zone that needs shorter cooking time, that zone will start cooking too. Now let's make some roasted Brussels sprouts and baked asparagus. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time!